We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print your supply status on an HP Laserjet 1536 DNF MFP printer. So first thing first, you want to hit the little wrench, the little tool guy right here, and then you want to go over to the right one time and it'll say reports. You want to hit OK. And then you're going to go over 3 times. It'll say supply status. You hit OK, and then your printer should then print the supply status page. You can find useful information on here, such as the original install date of the toner, and then also how many pages you've printed on the toner. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.